Vertical gardens are a popular and innovative way to maximize green space in urban environments. However, one of the challenges that come with maintaining vertical gardens is dealing with pests and diseases. In this video, we will explore effective strategies to prevent and control pests and diseases in vertical gardens. Before we can effectively tackle pests and diseases, it's important to be able to identify them. In this scene, we will learn about the most common pests and diseases that affect vertical gardens, such as aphids, spider mites, powdery mildew, and root rot. Prevention is always better than cure. In this scene, we will discuss various preventive measures to keep pests and diseases at bay in your vertical garden. This includes selecting disease-resistant plant varieties, maintaining good hygiene practices, providing proper nutrition, and implementing physical barriers. For those who prefer organic methods, this scene will cover natural remedies and organic pest control techniques that are safe for both plants and the environment. We will explore methods like companion planting, introducing beneficial insects, using homemade organic sprays, and practicing biological control. In some cases, chemical intervention may be necessary to effectively combat severe infestations or diseases. In this scene, we will discuss the responsible use of chemical pesticides and fungicides in vertical gardens, emphasizing safety precautions and the importance of following manufacturer instructions. Regular monitoring and maintenance are essential in keeping your vertical garden healthy and pest-free. In this final scene, we will talk about the importance of regular inspections, early detection of pests and diseases, and implementing a routine maintenance schedule to ensure the overall well-being of your vertical garden.